Hello everyone. Welcome you all to PPT e-Pathshala. Let's learn a parallax transition today. First, open Google and search for pixels. And then come to Search tab and search for mountains. And then you can choose any image of your choice. I am taking this. Open this. And download this image. Now come to PowerPoint presentation, go to Insert tab, and then insert the downloaded image. Then crop this image. Choose the aspect ratio 16:9. Now set it in full page. Now copy this image. In Picture Format tab, go to Background Remover. And from here you can select the area that you want to keep or remove. This might happen that you don't get final results in one go. So keep editing till the final results. At the end you will get something like this. Now paste the image that you copied before and send it to back. And the one of which you removed the background, crop that image so that you can easily select the background image. Now insert the text box. And make the following changes as shown on screen. Then go to Format Shapes, then Text Options, and add the shadow to the text. Again, duplicate the background image. Then go to Picture Format tab and blur the image. Then from here increase the radius. And flip vertically. Now group both the background image and send it to back. And then insert the content at end of the image. Now you can see that this crop image is behind the text, and we need it in front, so bring it to front. Now hide the heading. Then duplicate the slide. And arrange the heading on slide. Then again duplicate the slide. Select all elements except the heading, and shift it to upper side. Then adjust the heading and reduce its size. Then apply the morph transition. And here you go. Subscribe our channel for more such videos.